Hallo.
Hey.
Ja. Der Bagger so spät noch am Bagger noch. Es ist Bodo mit dem Bagger und der Bagger noch.
Letzte Worte vor der ersten Brückendurchfahrt.
Frag, was wir irgendwo so
Josef! Was machen wir jetzt?
Was? Ja, wir gehen gleich erstmal alle. Wir räumen jetzt auf und dann gehen wir auf die.
Und dann?
Flunkyball spielen.
Jawohl!
Freddy, in welchem Team Flunkyball bist du?
In deinem natürlich.
Ach, sehr gut, genau das wollte ich hören.
Flasche um.
Ja.
Wenn du sie umgeschmissen hast, versuchst du so schnell wie möglich dein Bier leer zu trinken.
Silber, hast du gut geschlafen, mein Lieber? Ja. Wie geht's heute Morgen? Ich wollte dich ein bisschen mit beruhigender Musik wecken. Guck mal da oben! Move!
Machen wir jetzt hier einen Snake?
Oh, ein Snake, der cool ist die schön stark an. Weißt du, da ist die Kirche nicht gebaut für den Snake. Das war die Kirche. Yeah, and everything is alright. Jogger and JC, let's go. Yeah. Citywide news when I blow the ozone. I leave my mark, yeah, I'm logo loco. Got no style, I'm a polo dodo. These women want rings, but I don't know Frodo. Wake up, sit down, I ain't going to work. If I go get drowned, I'ma go in a hearse. If I don't get found, I'ma go in reverse. I could've sold this out while I was throwing the birds. So don't throw no shade when I park the Gotti. See 3 white girls tryna spark the Bobby. I be rushed up in the paint, boy, it's hard to stop me. Are you a remix or a carbon copy? Like T-Town and we partying hard now. We used to use fakes, but we buy in the bar now. 2020, I'll be up and flying the car down. My eyes roll back, what you trying to start now?
Riding round the town tonight. We feeling good, we feeling right. Do we chase the thrill, live the light? Do we stay out till the sun don't shine?
Man, this shit ain't working out, but I'm keeping my chin up. But jogger never fall, I don't even fall in love. No, I ain't complaining, that's when everyone give up. The only shot I ever see you making is bitch cup. Oh, damn, who's that dude? Everybody told me trying to do this was a bad move. I've been learning more than I would ever in a classroom. Miracle in nature, all my dogs eating cat food. Holidays, they don't feel like holidays. And I got a little money, but I got a lot of plays. I don't need to ride a wheel, I got a will to dominate. Put it on my Mickey Mantle, I'll be in a Hall of Fame. Took about 3 L's, but I live life large. Send a man up to the moon, you can't touch my stars. Everybody want clothes and like all nice cars, but I ain't sitting on a fence, I want the whole 9 yards.
Riding round the town tonight. We feeling good, we feeling right. Do we check?
Yeah.
Hiermit wieder Frühshoppen am Mittwoch eingeleitet.
Snake!
Man, you know I'm running around my city with a pocket full of weight. I gotta take it back and think about the weight. Man, I spaz on the beat, more mind than a fucking monster. Running through the field, switching lanes like it's Contra. Shit, you know I rap like a pastime. Hit it, then I rip it, then I smoke until I flatline. Shit, I think we finally fucking up next. We finally making music that's like finally coming up next. Yeah, they're here to watch the ascension. Man, we play shit loud, now we got the retention. All these politics and shit got me feeling like death. So I'ma fuck around and run and put a knife in my neck. Man, I swear to fucking God, I'm not here just to be the best. I'ma hit these fucking rappers with a poly test. Man, the game needs a check on what music got. I think we're here to show the world when we hit the spot.
Local Boston